Hi everyone. Today, as I promised, I going to cover the following topic: how to connect the mount EQ6-R Pro to the Mac computer. When I was choosing this mount, few questions bothered me, and I couldn't find comprehensive answer on them. First of all, whether it will be possible to or easy to connect and control this mount by Mac computer without using head control. Do I need a special USB to serial cable, or in my mount I have USB connector, USB plug. So is it possible to connect just by ordinary USB cable to the Mac computer? And another thing I wanted to know is step-by-step instruction how to do it. Of course, connecting everything is easy. Here we need to have power supply, and here just ordinary USB cable, put it in Mac computer. And so what do I need to do next? Many instructions which I saw was instruction for Windows computer, and most of them using ASCOM drivers and USB to serial cable. So in Mac computer you don't have ASCOM drivers. Instead you can use Indie drivers and Indie server. The answer on question whether I can use ordinary USB cable is yes, I can do it, and I was able to control this mount with just USB cable by my Mac. The easiest way I found is to install KStars program, which I found very helpful, at least for the beginning, because this program has everything prepared. So just installing this program, you can you already have internal installed in the server and in the drivers you need. So one thing I needed to install in addition to KStars was prolific drivers. I will put links below to the KStar program and prolific driver I installed on my computer. The system I have Big Sur. So now I'm going to show and repeat everything I did before to control this mount. First thing one need to do is download KStar program. This multi-platform open source program, one can find easily DMG file for the installation. Click here to download it. When download is finished, mount the DMG and drag and drop KStars to the application folder. When copying finished, let's run the KStars. Unfortunately, it cannot be run by this, like this, so cancel it and go to the application folder and run KStars from there. Right click on it and press open, then open the program. In Wizard, press next, load Guiding Star catalog, press next. On the next tab, choose the closest location. Don't worry if your city is not in the list, you can add your city later. Press next. For now, you can skip downloading extra files. So we are done here. Close the tip. Go up and launch the equals. Press next to continue. I don't have my equipment connected yet, but I still can launch the top button and prepare everything and then connect my equipment and do all the adjustments. Here I choose internal INDI. So by installing KStars, one don't need to install INDI. Name profile, let's say mount plus Canon. I'm not going to use Canon now, but anyway, one can control your mount and Canon and camera and auto guiding. So for now I'm going to just use mount, but anyway we're going to use internal guider, and next go to create profile and choose devices. First one need to choose the mount. It wasn't obvious which mount should I use, but I found that Sky-Watcher EQ mode is what we need. For camera, choose DSLR Canon. And then press save. Here choose created profile and launch it. Here go to connection tab and change the bound rate. Obviously it cannot find the mount because it's not connected. But before we need to install the prolific driver. So let's close the INDI control panel. Stop and close ECAS. Go to the Safari and download the prolific driver. Run the package installer and follow the wizard. One extension is blocked, but anyway it will work after all. The installation was successful, so finish it and delay the pkg file. Now we need to reboot the computer. While it was rebooting, I connect everything. I give power supply and I use just ordinary USB cable to my computer and I turn on power. So now try to connect it via KStars. First launch KStars. Skip the tip and run the ECOS. Choose our profile and run it. Go to the connection type tab and check everything. Band rate, and if needed choose USB to serial system ports. So as you can see, everything is connected, so we can try to control the mount. Close here and go to the mount tab. Then to mount control, change the speed and try again. So now I see that it is controlling the mount. Mount is rotating. Let me show you. So go here, for example, go up, and you see that it's controlling without any hand control. So it's rotating. Here I just push the button. Let's try another one. This one. So as you can see, it was very easy. Just to install KStars, install prolific driver and make some little adjustment in ECOS, and that's it. So I hope this information will be helpful for anyone who try to do it. So now I can certainly say that it's possible to connect the mount via just USB, ordinary USB cable, and you can connect it to Mac computer OS6, and without any problem by Indie server and Indie drivers you can control this mount. So I hope it was helpful, and that's it for today. Next time I'm going to cover the topic about polar alignment on the balcony. So here on balcony I have limited sky. I don't have access to the polar star, so it is possible actually to do polar alignment and without auto guiding reach the exposure up to 30 seconds. So thank you for watching. Bye.